Hi, I'm Joseph. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple menu system with our Arduino Uno and TFT LCD display. I've made 3 buttons. First one for an oscilloscope, then an RGB mixer, and the last one is the popular Flappy Bird game. I select the first button. It gets highlighted and takes me to the oscilloscope example. It reads data from analog pin 5 and displays it in a waveform. This is the back button. It takes me back to the home screen. Next, I press the second button. This takes me to the RGB mixer. There are 3 sliders here: red, green and blue. When I can move each of these sliders, and here the combination of red, green and blue values are displayed at the top right corner of the display. Here's the back button. The third button takes me to the popular Flappy Bird game. I can play the game by just tapping on the screen. I can reset the score back to 0 by just pressing the reset button. Now I press the back button to go back to the home screen. Now let's move on to the code. These are 3 main libraries required. These are some touchscreen data pins and minimum and maximum touch coordinates. Here we are creating the touchscreen object, 4 data pins and the sensitivity. These pins are required for the display, and the TFT object is being created here. Here we are defining some color codes. These are minimum and maximum pressure for sensing the touch. This is the current page variable which is set to 0. 0 means we are on the home screen. This indicates where we are. 0 means home screen. If it's 1, it indicates that we are in the oscilloscope. 2 RGB mixer and 3 Flappy Bird game. In the setup section, first we are initializing the display, then starting serial communication and printing the display's ID. Then we are filling the screen with black and rotating the screen to position 1. Then we are setting the text size to 3 and text color to white. Then we are showing the notes point intro. This for loop is used for displaying a progress bar. Then again fill the screen with black. Here we are calling the draw home screen function to draw all the required buttons for the home screen. In that function, first we are filling the screen with black, then we are creating a border for that page, then we are drawing 3 buttons. For drawing that, first we are printing a red rounded rectangle, then its border with white. We are printing some text. Select an example, then notespoint.com by setting different colors. Then on the buttons, the last button has some text, Flappy Bird, then RGB mixer and oscilloscope on the buttons. Here in the loop section, first we are reading input from the touchscreen. If we are the home page and if sensed a touch, we have to check if the touch was in the area of the oscilloscope button, and if that's true, print a message to serial monitor set current page variable to 1, highlight the button, and then call draw OSC function to start the oscilloscope. And if the touch was the area of the RGB mixer button, highlight the button, then set the current page to 2 and call this function draw RGB to draw all the necessary sliders for the RGB mixer. And if the touch was in the area of the Flappy Bird game button, then again print something to the serial monitor, highlight the button, set current page to 3 and then call start game function to start the Flappy Bird game. The control part goes here. If the current page variable is 1, control the oscilloscope. If it's 2, RGB mixer, and if it's 3, the game. The complete code is available in my blog. The link to my blog post is available in the comments below. So thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.